Welcome back here on Good Day Kansas. We are once again at a house today learning about a full main remodel with our friends from Wichita Home Works. This is Nate, the president. Nate, great to see you.
Yep, thanks for coming out.
So this is a cool one. This is a one that Bree was at a little while ago, and you guys have made some great progress on it. So just tell us where you guys are at and what you guys are doing here.
Yeah, so last time you guys were out, we were kind of towards the end of the demo phase, so really right in the middle of chaos. Now we're in the trim and finished carpentry side of things, so they're going through getting all the cabinets installed. Drywall work is all finished. All of the trades have been in here to do their rough in work, so the plumbing, electrical, HVAC, all that rough work is done. So yeah, we're touching the kitchen. We added a walk-in pantry off of the kitchen. We added another bathroom to their main floor, completely reconfigured their master ensuite, redoing the fireplace here to make a new focal point for the living space. So yeah. Nice big project for us, something we really like doing.
Yeah, and I know we've touched upon it the last couple of times, but I want to reiterate it again. Is like when someone does this, this is going to be like totally new, right? I mean, this is going to be awesome.
Yeah, I mean, we, on something like this, we've touched just about every portion of the house. So yeah. Once you come back in, to it at the finish of the job, it's completely different house.
Yeah, I want to focus in on that master bathroom that you guys are working on, because that is going to be spectacular when it's finished. Give us some of those details about what they chose with their bathroom.
Yeah, they got a really nice deep soaker tub that's going to be a focal point along that window. In the corner, we've got a custom tile shower that we've done with a neo angle. Going to be some cool glass work that goes into that, and then got the walk-in closet that also goes into a laundry area, so don't have to go very far to do your laundry. Yeah. Those are always a popular configuration for a closet. So. Yeah,
and you guys, you're the best in the business. Whenever you guys come in here, this is something that you guys do this every day.
Yep. Yeah, this is one of about 12 different projects that we have going. This is pretty common size for us, but we can take care of all sizes within home remodel and repair projects.
Yeah, so whether you're looking for just maybe one portion of your house, or like this one, an entire main floor remodel, Wichita Home Works is your place to go. How can we get a hold of you guys?
Yep, they can give us a call at 316-303-4485, or they can visit us on the web at wichitahomeworks.com.
Cool. Thanks so much, Nate. We appreciate it.
Thanks for coming.
We have more Good Day Kansas coming up next.